First snow in Pernik and Sofia, Bulgaria. More than 150 vehicles are ready to clear the capital. The first snow of this winter fell in Pernik, where a thin snow cover formed. It is also snowing in the capital. The streets and boulevards along which public transport runs are being treated to remove ice. At the moment, public transport runs everywhere and runs along familiar roads. Drivers should use vehicles equipped for winter driving and drive at appropriate speeds. A code yellow has been introduced for snow and ice. A yellow warning code indicates expected icy conditions on the road surface.